Hello and welcome to Get Creative in the Kitchen. Today's recipe is a healthy, tasty dal and egg curry. Now this is super easy to make, so let's get straight into it. Here's what you're going to need. We're going to start by soaking our chana dal for half an hour and boiling our eggs. The rest of the ingredients are in the description below. So let's get started with this recipe. We're going to heat up a pan and add our oil to the pan. Once the oil is hot, we're going to add our hard-boiled eggs. And we want to fry these eggs till they turn crispy on the outside, so till it turns a nice dark golden color. Keep turning them around so they turn brown nice and evenly on all sides. Now this is optional, you don't have to fry your eggs, but I just like that nice crispy skin on the outside of the egg, and it also makes the dish look very nice, but as I said, you don't have to. Once your eggs are done, we're going to take them out and set them aside. We're now going to heat up another pan and add some oil. Once your oil is hot, we're going to add some red chillies, cinnamon stick, cumin seeds, and a bay leaf. Mix that through for about 2 minutes till they release all their beautiful aroma. It's time now for our onions to go in, and we're going to mix that through and saute the onions till they turn translucent. I forgot to add my Asafetida before the onions, so in it goes now, and give that a mix. Okay, that's looking lovely, so it's time now for the tomatoes to go in. We're going to mix those tomatoes through. So we're going to cook our tomatoes till they soften a little bit. This may take about 3 to 4 minutes. Okay, this is looking good, so it's time now for the ginger and garlic paste to go in. And we're going to mix that through for about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to cook that raw ginger and garlic paste. That is cooked through nicely, so we're going to add our spices. We're going to start with our cumin, our turmeric, chili powder to your taste, and mix those spices through for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, our spices are well cooked through, so it's time now to add our chana dal or our split peas, which has been soaking for about half an hour. So we're going to mix this through nicely with all the spices. It's time now to add the salt. Mix that through nicely. We're now going to add some water to cook our dal. I am now going to put my pressure cooker lid on and cook this dal. If you're not using a pressure cooker, just put a lid on and cook it for around 20 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes is up, so let's check on our dal. That's looking good. We're just going to check and see if the dal is actually soft. And that's all good, so my dal is cooked. I'm happy with the way it's looking and the amount of gravy that it's got. So I'm just going to add my Garam Masala. Give that a little mix through. This is smelling absolutely divine. It's now time to add our yummy eggs to this lovely dal curry that we've cooked, and we're going to mix that through. Look at that, look how yum that looks. Egg and dal, so simple, healthy, delicious. I have made some other dal curries which I will link in the description below. I'm going to cook these eggs in this dal for about 5 minutes. Ooh, this is smelling so lovely. I'm going to finish it off with a generous topping of coriander. I absolutely love coriander, but this is optional. Mix that lovely coriander through. And if you've made it this far, I would love to hear from you in the comments. Let me know if you try this recipe out. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this chana dal and egg recipe. Check out my chana dal and meat video, which I'll leave in a link in the description below.